Hi, this is your daily shorts of internet.
Bro, I was just trying to hang this, and I... Ooh.
Give me the best screen. Whoever got the best screen. I got you right here.
This artist painted this beautiful picture and then cut it to make room for the Subway Surfer video game. His goal was to make it easier for people to focus on his art since everyone's attention spans are so short now. The manager at this golf driving range gave this guy the best compliment possible.
Alright, what's happening?
I just need the balls to stay inside of the net.
How can you cut into a red cabbage and see this and think there's no God?
Where are you going? Why are you approaching me? Can you not? Sir, can I... What the f-
Some old buildings in Japan have floors that were made to be loud and squeaky on purpose. This was to help alert people if there was an intruder in the house. In case you didn't know, sometimes an octopus will try and punch a fish just for fun. This guy was so excited to see which Olympic athlete he was going to raise.
Oh my god!
This little chihuahua with 3 legs somehow scared away this coyote. Pigeons love bricks. If you give pigeons a brick, they will get so excited and jump on it and run around in circles. This is because before cities, pigeons lived on rocky cliffs. The brick reminds them of the natural environment they originally evolved in. There's a species of crab that will kidnap jellyfish to use them as protection against predators. I saw this experiment trending online, so I decided to try it out myself. You can make a very fun device using one spaghetti and macaroni noodle. If you look closely, you can see this bee spitting on his front legs and then placing that spit on his back legs. This helps make their legs sticky when they're out collecting pollen. That is the end of this video, or we hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Later.